everyone, welcome back to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today in this video we are going to see some important MCQs questions for university exam of semester 2 on applied chemistry on the topic thermodynamics function. So let's get into the video. 20 question, which one of the following is an extensive property? The options are a. Enthalpy, B. Molar enthalpy, C. Density, D. Viscosity. The correct answer is A. Enthalpy. 21. For an adiabatic process, which of the following relation is correct? The options are A. Delta E equals to 0, B. P delta V equals to 0, C. Q equals to 0 and D. Q equals to positive W. The correct option is C. Q equals to 0. 22. If temperature of the system remains constant during the course of change, the change is, the options are A. Isothermal, B. Adiabatic, C. Isobaric and D. Isochronic. The correct one is A. Isothermal. 23. A process in which pressure remains constant is called A. Isochronic process, B. Isothermal process, C. Adiabatic process and D. Isobaric process. The correct answer is isobaric process. 24. A process in which volume remains constant is called, the options are A. Isochronic process, B. Isothermal process, C. Adiabatic process, D. Isobaric process. The correct answer is A. Isochronic process. 25th. Internal energy of a system of molecules is determined by taking into consideration is, the options are A. Kinetic energy, B. Vibrational energy, C. Rotational energy and D. All kind of energies present in the molecules. The correct answer is D. All kind of energies present in the molecules. 26th question. Thermodynamic equilibrium involves, the options are A. Chemical equilibrium, B. Thermal equilibrium, C. Mechanical equilibrium and D. All the three. The correct answer is D. All the three. 27. Heat energy cannot be completely transformed into work without producing some change somewhere. Is the statement of, the options are A. Hess's law, B. First law of thermodynamics, C. Kirchhoff's law and option D. Second law of thermodynamics. The correct answer is D. Second law of thermodynamics. 28. The heat contains of the system is called, the options are internal energy, B. Enthalpy, C. Free energy and D. Entropy. The correct answer is B. Enthalpy. 29. In endothermic reaction is one in which the reacting system, options A. Have more energy than products, B. Have less energy than the products, C. Are the at low temperature than products and D. Have less energy than the product. The correct one is D. Have less energy than the products. 30. For an endothermic reaction, delta H is negative, delta E is negative, delta H is positive and delta H is 0. So for endothermic reaction, delta H is positive. The The correct answer is C. 31. In an exothermic reaction, delta H is positive, negative, 0 or maybe 0 or negative. The correct answer is B, negative. 32. If total enthalpy of reactants and products is HR and HP respectively, then for exothermic reaction A, HR equals to HP, B, HR is less than HP, C, HR is greater than HP, or D, HR minus HP equals to 0. The correct answer is C, HR is greater than HP. 33. Heat change of a process in which volume remains constant is represented by, the options are A, delta E, B, delta H, C, delta G, or D, delta N. The correct answer is A, delta E. 34. The apparatus used for measuring the heat changes of a reaction is called, the options are A, thermometer, B, a calorimeter, C, a calorimeter, D, none of this. The correct answer is A, calorimeter. 35. The change of enthalpy of a chemical reaction in the same whether the reaction takes place in one step or in several steps. This law was presented by, the options are A. Hess, B. Le Chatelier, C. Van Hoff, D. Kirchhoff. The correct answer is A. Hess. 36. Hess's law deals with, the options are A. Changes in a heat of reaction, B. Rate of reaction, C. Equilibrium constant, D. Influence of pressure on volume of a gas. As we know, Hess's law deals with changes in a heat of reaction. So correct answer is A. 37. Which of the following unit represent the largest amount of energy? The options are A. Electron volt, B. Erg, C. Joule, and D. Calorie. The correct answer is D. Calorie. 38. Heat involved in calorie by the combustion of 1 gram of fuel is called its heat of combustion, its calorific value, its heat of formation, or D, none of this. The correct answer is B, its calorific value. 39. Heat of neutralization of an acid with a base is 13.7 kcal when A. Both acid and base are weak, B. Acid is weak and base is strong, C. Acid is strong and base is weak, or D. Both acid and base are strong. The correct answer is D. Both acid and base are strong. If this video was helpful for you and you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below, and thank you so much for watching.